Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Sup plus earn. Sup earn. Comb plus fort. Comb fort. Southern comfort. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to our program. I hope you enjoyed Mother's Week on our show. What it means is that these two contestants have had to wait an extra week before competing again, so let me reintroduce them to you. The gentleman on my left won a game last time out, a little over a week ago, and picked up over $4,000 in prizes. Let's welcome back John Radke. Johnny?
Thank you, Alex.
The ring you were showing Marjorie at the end of our program a little over a week ago is a Stanford ring?
Stanford, yeah. I graduated from there in 1984.
In what?
Mathematical sciences.
Are you working in mathematical sciences?
A little
there?
bit. I'm working with in the computer industry.
Okay. Good luck to you today. You have the same opponent as last time, the lady from Disney Country in Buena Vista, Southern California, Cindy Morgan. Welcome back, Cindy.
Hi, Alex.
Now, you're in bad shape because you've got the strike against you, but on the other hand, John has one against him also, and so only one game. That's all one of you will have.
I'm making a comeback now.
You are?
Yes, I am.
All right. If you are indeed, then you might wind up winning these prizes. Take a look.
Martin Lawrence Gallery's impressive limited edition reflection suite by Mark King, consisting of 4 serigraphs, Rainy Day, Montmartre, Spring, Magnolia Blossoms, and By the Sea. Each is numbered and hand-signed by the artist. Furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries. Alex.
And where will we find those on our game board? At number 10, the artwork is there. In addition, we have a holiday in Bermuda.
Oh! I have to go there. I have to go there.
Why are you banging on your microphone?
I've been there before and I have to go there.
You have or you haven't?
Yes, I have.
And it's that great?
It's beautiful.
Bermuda's the place to go.
It's the place.
Do you plan to go alone or with your husband?
I'm bringing my husband.
Good for you. You want to make a selection now? 2 numbers?
Oh, find Bermuda, please. Number 13.
Red take.
Let's find the match under number 7.
Sofa. John.
I'd like to go to Bermuda also. Let's see what's under number 25.
Sofa.
Sofa, and that's got to be under number 7.
Correct. First match, thanks to Cindy's assistance, goes to John, and he gets a look at the puzzle.
Not much help.
Go again.
Let's look under number 19, please.
Electric range.
And let's look for the wild card or match under number 17, please.
No silver tea and coffee service, so we're back to Cindy.
Okay, I'd like to see number 23, please.
Looking for Bermuda. Find designer dresses.
I could use those. Number 1 for the match, please.
Nope, his and her mountain bikes. John?
A lot of prizes opened up. Let's look under number 18, please.
Diamond necklace.
Diamond necklace. My wife would like that. Let's look under number 9 for a match.
Picnic basket. No, Cindy.
Okay, can I see number 21, please?
Diamond necklace.
Was that number 18?
Ooh.
Thank you.
But you did this on our last show a little over a week ago. You put a piece of jewelry up there. You got all excited about it. And then John
He took it.
took it and won the game.
I know he did.
Let's take a look now and see what happens. You'd better select again.
Number 9, please.
Picnic basket.
I just saw that. Was that 19?
No. Electric range is there. John?
Let's look under number 22 for Bermuda.
No.
Picnic basket. And the match for that is under number 9.
Yep. Cindy, when you said you just saw it, you had seen it at number 9.
Is that where I saw it?
That's where you saw it.
Well, okay.
That's why it looked so familiar to you.
Okay.
All righty. 2 doors opening up again for John. Select again.
Let's look for Bermuda under number 3.
Wild card. Now, as you mentioned a few moments ago, you've seen a lot of great prizes, John.
Well, I still got to look for Bermuda. Let's look under number 1, please.
His and her mountain bikes. And the other mountain bikes are at number 24. 3 panels are going to open up for John Radke. Let's see what they reveal. Pick again.
Let's look under number 6.
Bermuda.
There's Bermuda. Okay, we got to find a wild card or a match under number 15.
Wild card there. The other Bermuda. At number 2, show him these 3 pieces of the puzzle.
Putting on the Ritz.
Is it putting on the Ritz? No, it is not. Select again. Cindy heaves a sigh of relief about 8 feet away from our lecterns here. Go, John.
Let's look under number 4, please.
Designer dresses.
And number 23 for the match.
Designer dresses, yes. Now let's see what happens.
Putting on the dog.
Is it putting on the dog? Yep. John did it. John's going to Bermuda, Cindy. Sorry about that.
We have the man putting. We have the ink. We have the light bulb on. We have the word the, and we have the dog. Putting on the dog.
Putting on the dog. And Cindy will not be putting on the dog as a result of her appearance on Classic Concentration. 2 strikes against you, unfortunately.
All right, I had fun. Good luck, John.
Glad you feel that way. Take care, Cindy. So long. All right, John, we're going to hear about this trip to Bermuda and the other prizes you have just won. Go, Gene.
A picnic basket, his and her mountain bikes, and designer dresses. Patty O'Neill, American Fashions, for all the world to see. Elegant, beautiful, head-turning designer dresses, always in fashion, furnished by Patty O'Neill. And a sofa. The Lazy Boy Signature 2 sofa. Distinctively tailored, elegantly styled, plus the comfort and quality you expect, furnished by Lazy Boy. And Bermuda. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Bermuda. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mermaid Beach Club on the South Shore, overlooking a glorious private beach with on-premises swimming pool, European-style dining, and nightly entertainment furnished by the Mermaid Beach Club. And John, you have a prize package worth $5,897.
Remember what I said on our last program? With 45 seconds on the clock, you should be able to win a brand new car. We'll find out if I am right after this. All right, John. 15 numbered squares. You've been waiting a long time for this moment.
See if we can do it.
45 seconds. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
10. 6.
Yes.
12. 13. 9, 13,
Right.
15, 2, 4, 5, 1, 8, 14, 4,
Yes.
3, 15,
No.
5, 8,
No.
8, 15,
Yep.
7, 2,
Yep.
11, 1,
Yep.
5, 12.
Not in time. Not in time. Not in time. Sorry about that. You have to call out both numbers before the clock. You want to just give me a moment to do that, please? Thank you very much. Well, hold on just a second, John. We have somebody on our staff with super hearing who works in milliseconds, and that individual says you began saying that last number before the clock went to 0. You just won a brand new car. Congratulations. You got it at last. I told you you'd make it with 45 seconds. Gene, tell them about it.
John, you've just won this Daihatsu Charade SE 4-door sedan. Features a 1.0-liter single overhead cam, 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and cruise control. Furnished by Daihatsu, a prize worth over $10,200.
$20,240, and your mom is here to share the moment. That's very nice, particularly right after our Mother's Week on Classic Concentration. Congratulations again. We'll take a break. When we come back, a new player to introduce. Following this. 45 seconds proved to be the charm for John Radke, and now we welcome these 2 newcomers. Young lady on my right, first of all, and I hope I pronounce her name correctly, Shelley Endow? Endo. Hello, Shelley Endo. Where are you from?
I'm from Murrieta, California.
Murrieta, California.
Yeah.
Is that down south?
Yeah, it's about a half hour south of Riverside.
Aha. And what do you do?
I'm a cashier for a hardware store, and I love to make crafts. I made this bracelet.
Oh, good for you. That's nice.
And I love to travel.
Well, you can win some great trips on this program.
I would love
But to
that.
do that, you've got to solve the puzzle. And to solve the puzzle, you have to defeat your opponent. You have to do it before he does. And his name in this case is John Lewis. Hello, John.
Alex, how are you?
I'm all right. Now, where are you from?
I'm a native born California. I live in Santa Ana, and I'm engaged to a wonderful young lady sitting in the audience.
Oh, really? What is her name? That pretty young blonde just waved
That's right.
to me.
Melissa Ogle.
What is it?
Melissa Ogle.
Melissa Ogle. Hi, Melissa. I know you want to see him do well for both of you, so let's get right into this second game today. Here's a fun prize.
It's time to declare your independence on a Honda NS50F, a sporty motorcycle that's comfortable and easy to operate. It's got a style all its own. It's easy to park, and it's a lot of fun, too. Alex?
It looks as if it's a lot of fun. Yes. John and Shelley will show you where you find the motorcycle. It's at number 4. We'll have just the one wild card in this game, players, but we have the 5 bonus car seconds. The cash pot is up to $600, and we have a holiday in Boston.
Boston.
And John, you get to go first.
Okay, well, Boston would be good. The motorcycle would be good. Let's try with 16, please.
Number 16 has
Cash pot would be better. Okay, let's see. How about right in the middle of 13?
Videotape library. No match. Shelley.
I would love to match any of that. Let's try number 24.
His and her hammocks.
Oh, that'd be nice and relaxing. Let's try for the match under number 6.
His and her hammocks. Well, now, Shelley's starting off on the right foot. Let's open these 2 doors. Go again.
Let's try number 4. Just saw
Motorcycle.
that. Number 17.
Wild card. The other motorcycle is at number 14. 3 panels will open now for Shelley. But from this point on, all matches will have to be made naturally, Shelley, so make a selection again.
Number 21.
Green take.
Ooh, that'd be nice. And number 15.
6-player croquet set. John, back to you.
Okay, well, let's go for that trip. How about number 7?
Videotape library?
Okay, I think I saw that under 23.
No. Bonus car seconds
okay.
there. Shelley?
Let's see what's under number 1.
Diamond and emerald ring.
Oh, that would be nice. And the match under 25.
Red take. John?
Okay, Alex, how about number 13?
Videotape
Okay, and
library.
the match was 7?
13 and
All
7
right.
works in this case.
All right.
Yes. A prize for John.
Okay.
He's got his prize. That's all he wants. Open it
I
up.
want a little more than that, Alex.
Pick again.
Okay, how about the top left corner, number 1?
Diamond and emerald
I
ring.
just saw that. 22. Yes!
Diamond and emerald ring. Yes, indeed. Well, now.
That's for Melissa.
That's for Melissa?
That's it.
You're sure?
Positive.
All right. Open it up. Select.
Okay, number 10, please.
Red
Red
take.
take. Okay, how about number 21?
Green take. Shelley?
I think we saw that red take. Was it under number 25?
Yes.
And number 15 for the match.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shelley's mouth got in gear before her brain was engaged, and it cost her, John.
Mine's not engaged either. Okay, was it number 8?
Green
Red
take.
take. 21.
Yeah.
All right.
You made the match. Oh, you're looking already, huh?
Yeah.
Want the motorcycle?
Sorry, folks. Yeah, the motorcycle, please.
All right. Melissa, are you going to let him drive that motorcycle? His mother won't. All right. Good thinking. Let's open it up here. 2 more doors for John Lewis. Select again.
Okay, how about number 18?
Boston.
Austin. How about number 25?
Red take. Shelley.
Was that red take at number 10?
Correct.
And number 25?
Correct. Now, he's got the diamond and emerald ring.
I would love that diamond and emerald ring.
He's got the motorcycle.
No, I want the ring.
You want the ring?
Motorcycle.
All right. Put the ring on her side. Show her these 2 pieces of the puzzle. Can Shelley Endo end it now by solving it? Pick again.
Number 19.
6-player croquet set.
And the match at number 15.
6-player croquet set, right. Swing them open. Try it again.
Number 16.
Cash pot.
And number 11.
No, compact disc player. John?
Okay, what's under number 5?
Well, we have a compact disc player.
And number 11?
Another compact disc player. Actually, it's the same one. Good match. Let's see what it does to helping you solve this puzzle.
Very close, Alex. Nope.
So am I. And I know what it is.
Okay, how about number 18?
Boston.
Boston. Was that under number 23?
No, that's the 5 bonus car seconds. Shelley?
Let's see what's under number 3.
Cash pot.
And the match for the cash under number 16.
That's right. Aren't that many prizes left in play, Shelley? You could wind up clearing the board. Let's open these 2 panels for you. Obviously, you can't solve it right now. Pick again.
Number 12.
Cutlery set.
Ooh. And number 2.
Cutlery set. Looking good, Shelley, looking good. Now, you can try to solve it at this time, or you can wait a minute. You know, of course, that the Holiday in Boston is one of the 4 panels, and you have seen Boston come up at least a couple of times. Let's open this. Select again.
Number 20.
5 bonus car seconds.
And number 23.
5 bonus car seconds. Those doors will open, and that means, of course, that 9 and 18 will match. That's the Holiday in Boston. And when these panels open, Shelley, I want you to solve this puzzle for a good payoff. Can you do it? John, can you solve it? You can't do it either. All right, hands on your signaling buttons, and I'm going to assist you. Think of Christmas and things like that. We have hay and fez plus dove. Hay fest dove. A festive. Shelley.
A festive occasion.
Is it a festive occasion? Yes, it is, and Shelley is going to Boston. Come on, Shelley. Go for it.
Here's the hay, then the fez and the dove. Fez dove. Ho plus the K plus the shin, a festive occasion.
Festive occasion, and you have just handed John Lewis his first strike. Poor Melissa's going to be disappointed, but he will play again, John. We'll see you in that one right now. Shelley, let's hear about your prizes. Gene, tell her.
A cash pot worth $600, a cutlery set, a 6-player croquet set, and his and her hammocks. Hatteras Hammocks, a relaxing quartet, includes 2 deluxe and 2 swing hammocks, hand-woven in cotton or polyester. Comes complete with stands and pillows furnished by Hatteras Hammocks. And a diamond emerald ring, a gorgeous cocktail ring, 14-karat gold with 7 genuine round emeralds and 18 round full-cut fine-quality diamonds. 0.47 carat total weight from the Michael C. Fina Company. And Boston. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Boston, and you'll spend 6 nights at the impressive guest quarters on the Charles River. Savor all that Boston and Cambridge, Massachusetts have to offer, furnished by Guest Quarters Suite Hotel. And the 5 bonus car seconds. A prize package worth $4,622.
Good first win for Shelley, and she gets to play for a brand new car after this. Let's see what happens as she tries to win one. 15 numbered squares, base time on the clock, 35 seconds, but you picked up the 5 bonus seconds, so you're working with a full 40. Go for it, Shelley. Good luck.
1, 2.
No.
4, 5.
No.
7, 8.
No.
10, 11.
No.
4, 11.
Right.
13, 14.
No.
5, 13.
Yes.
15, 12.
No.
8, 15.
No.
9, 6.
No.
3, 9.
No.
7, 3.
No.
7, 14.
No.
9, 14.
Yep.
12, 8.
No.
2, 12.
No.
1, 15.
No.
112.
112 is going to work. Too little, too late. But that's okay. You've got $4,622 in prizes, and you will play again. Gene, tell us about another prize, please.
Some of today's participants may receive Soft Touch. Puts designer fashion into fitness, coordinated bodywear and nylon fibers, bright colors, layered looks, and new silhouettes for any workout, furnished by Soft Touch. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Discovered how different it is playing here in the winner's circle than it is when you are competing at home with no pressure on you. However, she has won close to $5,000, and she will be back on our next show. So join us then. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.